Hey guys, I just installed it's just a regular old car alarm, and it has a shock sensor. And right here is the LED, so if we watch that. Also, I hooked it into my boat LEDs. You'll see them when I turn on it's currently turned off. So now it's on. It takes about 10 seconds for it to fully arm. See if I open this lid, if I let it shut too hard. Went ahead and turned it off. But anyway, it took me about 20 minutes to install it, and they're pretty cheap on eBay. So anyway, just want to show you my boat alarm system. Catch you guys later.